Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about CAD, Canadian dollar, and different pairs of Canadian dollar. What happened? So let's get started. This was the daily chart I was watching a couple of days ago, since it was going up to this high here, and this is the level 5602. It's a monthly low. It's a big level. If you want to know where it is, it's right here. Okay, so all of these, this is the low, this is the high. I forgot to mark this one. So these are highs. Oh well, in fact I don't have all these highs not marked, but yeah, these are my monthly and weekly charts. So these are highs and lows. They are very important numbers. And then price, even though the number is here, but after all this time, when it was here, it was 209. So 10 years ago, this number, and now today, yesterday, it played out very well. Okay, so 5602, look, on a daily basis, this is what 5602 is. Okay, so excuse me. So you can see here, let me you see that 5602. Okay, so this is how it is. It bounced from here before, and then exactly the same thing it did again. And notice the candle. See, like this candle is like a doji, right? So whenever you have this doji at a very strong level like this one, right, and after that drop, and all of a sudden you have a doji bouncing from the level, so that is a reversal sign. Similarly here, this is a very good level, and then you have this and reversal. Then after big candle you have this, even though in this one and this one has a big body, but it's okay, it's a reversal candle on some kind of level. Similarly here, it dropped, see this small body, wick to the bottom, wick to the top, and then it reverses. So yeah, this is a powerful reversal candle formation. And this candle was on, look, it's on October 28th, right? So that is a sign that CAD index probably is going to drop and CAD is going to get weaker. So what do we do when CAD is getting weaker? All the pairs where the CAD is on the right hand side, for example, EUR-CAD, Pound-CAD, USD-CAD, right, Aussie-CAD, they will be going up. Okay, so that's the idea. And if it is going to the upside, means CAD is getting strong, then those pair will be going down. So since it was CAD was getting weaker, so those pairs supposed to go up. So based on that, I make some entries. And then what happened today, let me just go there, and then today was here, let's see, Forex factory here, right? And look here, you can see in the morning we had a couple of nice CAD, 10 a.m. CAD, some monetary policy report, then the statement, rate statement, the rate decision, right, overnight rate, all of these, and then finally 11 o'clock press conference. So all of these added some fuel to the fire and made the CAD even more weaker. And since I had a long entries on those pairs, I got lucky, and those pairs even went further. So based on these analysis and using my Magic IB system, let me show you my trades, which is simple analysis and simple trades. So this is one of them, is USD-CAD. Now USD-CAD, if you notice that on a monthly chart, USD-CAD monthly chart, this is a big number. You can see here how big it is, right? Big powerful move to the upside, and then this is the highest 30.62, and big drop from there. So 30.62 is the one of the biggest number in USD-CAD pair, which was playing out here on the entry was on, you can see it's on the October 28th, 10 o'clock, right? So price was dropping up from above, and then all of a sudden it hit this number, and then I made my entry when I saw these red candles turn blue and going to the upside. 10 o'clock here, it means like around London Open, so Frankfurt London Open. So that's where the volume comes in, right? So that's one of the trade, and it went up, but it didn't go up much. The reason is that USD was also getting weaker. Okay, but luckily CAD got more weaker than USD and it went up but little bit. But the next trade was look at this one, pound CAD, right? And this is, it bounced from here and then went up. Beautiful, by the book entry on a support, and it's just above this number 69.96, 67.96 is a nice big number, and that's my entry. And then this is where the more news came in and then took it to the upside, 160 pip. And then the other one on this same token here, where the news came out since yesterday, CAD start getting weaker, start going to the upside, came in, beautiful entry by the book, and gone. 20-minute chart, 145 pips right here. So EUR-CAD, pound CAD, and USD-CAD, they all went up since the CAD was dropping. And this is the way that, when you are you have your analysis in place and you are expecting something and that happens, and especially when you get perfect by the book entries with your system, whatever it is. I mean, I'm using this Magic IB system, and this is so far in my more than 10-year experience that this is the far best system of all. And but you might have something better than that, and then all you got to do is that just pay attention to your analysis, that if that's what's happening after the news, then you can get in using your system. And in case of me, I use this Magic IB system and nice and clean entries. This one, and look at this one. I mean, you had this entry here. Wherever this indicator is on the way down, and then red candle turns blue, like this one, this one, this one, this one, and any of these entries, you can see even this one, that your SL never hit. It just makes the turn and then go in the positive territory. So this is how I had my trade, and I have several trades. I had some very good Aussie and Newsy trades. I'll show you in the next video, not this one. All right, so this is how I'm using it, Magic IB system, and this is how I'm trading. So if you like what you saw, go on my website, subscribe, and get the system, get going. A weekend is coming, so you can get ready for the next week. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.